Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pickled onions easily. First, grab one large red onion and slice it very thinly, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Then, carefully pack all those beautiful slices into a clean, heat-proof jar. This simple preparation sets the stage for a quick and delicious batch of homemade pickled onions, ready in no time at all. Now, let's create that flavorful brine. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of water with 1 cup of white vinegar. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, stirring until the sugar and salt are fully dissolved. This balanced brine is the secret to perfectly tangy onions. Once your brine is hot, carefully pour it directly over the thinly sliced onions in the jar. Make sure all the onion pieces are completely submerged in the liquid. This is crucial for even pickling. For an extra layer of flavor, you can add a few black peppercorns or a couple of smashed garlic cloves to the jar before sealing. It's that simple. After pouring the brine, let the jar cool down completely on your counter until it reaches room temperature. Once cool, seal the jar tightly and transfer it to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, allow them to chill for at least 30 minutes before serving. These vibrant, tangy pickled onions are fantastic on everything from tacos to salads, adding a delightful crunch and zing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.